Hey there, Rivet family. Coach Morgan here. Happy Saturday. Going to go over today's warm-up for our SeaWorld workout today. I'm going to do 3 rounds total. First thing is a 100-meter easy run down and back. Second thing, we have some swings. You're either going to use your dumbbell that you're using in the workout today. We're just going to go to shoulder level, right? It's going to swing it straight up the front. 10 reps right there. Or if you're using an odd object, or if you're using a weighted backpack, you can swing your backpack same way. Just go up to about shoulder level or so. 10 swings. We're doing 15 straight leg sit-ups. So we're sitting on the floor, keeping those legs straight, going all the way down, all the way up, touching those toes at the top. Let's go 15 reps right there for our straight leg sit-ups. And then we'll finish each round with 20 air squats. Down and up, right? We're going 20 air squats. Sit down nice and low into that squat 20 times. Run through that 3 times. Should get you good warmed up for today's workout. We do have a Zoom class at 9 a.m. If you want to join us, please do. If not, get it done on your own, definitely. And post your score in Wadhopper. All right? Have a great weekend. Have a good workout.